number. So what is the concept of complex number? They are related to I, which is the first letter of imaginary. Complex number means imaginary, and that is denoted by iota. I means root over minus 1, and these values root over minus 1 exactly. This is called the imaginary, and when I square, that will be minus 1. Okay, in the form of complex number z equal to x plus iy. Okay, in the coordinate plane, if we plot this complex number like this, x comma y, and this is called the Cartesian coordinate, where as this is called the length of x and this is called length of y, and which is related to the polar coordinate. This is r comma theta, and this called r and this called theta. And what is the relation between the r and theta and x and y? And from this right angle triangle we can write x is r square equal to x square plus y square from Pythagoras rules, and also we can write tan theta is equal to y by x, and also we can write cos theta is equal to x by r, and x is equal to r cos theta, and also we can write sin theta is equal to y by r, therefore y equal to r sin theta. Therefore, and z is called the Cartesian form in Cartesian form, and we can this is also expressed as a polar coordinate and polar coordinate, like that x is equal to r cos theta and plus I into r sin theta, where r is called the modulus and theta is called amplitude. In this form is called modulus amplitude form. Okay, and I is called the modulus. Here see r is equal to root over x square plus y square. So mod z, language mod z, this is sign as mod z. Mod of some given number complex z equal to x plus iy, and mod of z is equal to the square of imaginary real part and their addition of square of imaginary part, only part. Okay, and this is called the modulus of z. And theta is called the argument of z, a r g, argument of z, r z is called theta. This is also called e to the power I theta. Okay, simple as I theta. This is the exponential, and these have a formula. And now addition of two complex number, if we given you z1 is equal to r1 cos theta 1 plus I into sin theta 1, and z2 r2 cos theta 2 plus I into sin theta 2. Okay, if we add this z1 plus z2, and that will be r1 cos theta 1 r2 cos theta 2 plus I into r1 sin theta 1 r2 sin theta 2. Here we have taken the common I. Okay, and this is from x plus iy form. Okay, now take modulus of z1 plus z2, then that is equal to the square of real part and square of imaginary part. We can see the above. Okay, ठीक है, and simplify this part. This square plus this square, this is r1 square. This square plus this square, this is r2 square, and from that 2 r1 r2 taking common, a plus b whole square, a square b square, a square b square, twice ab in twice ab. Both the twice ab we have common taken common 2 r1 r2, and then left here cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2. Okay, see here, again rewrite this r1 square r2 square 2 r1 r2, and we have now see here cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2, that is the compound angle formula cos A minus B, and this is Z1 plus Z2 modulus of that. If we put in place of cos of theta, let us assume this is theta in 1, that is the maximum value of theta, and that is y is more than the previous value, and then we see here mod of r1 square r2 square plus 2 r1 r2, and that is equal to r1 plus r2. Therefore mod of z1 plus z2, that is less than equal to r1 plus r2. Again rewrite this mod of z1 z2, and that is equal to mod of z1. r1 means mod of z1, r2 means mod of z2. Okay, see here z equal to r cos theta and r theta 2, r equal to root over x square plus y square. See here mod z equal to x square plus y square, and that is equal to r. So r means this is the modulus, same as you have given z1 equal to r1, this is the modulus of z1, and r2, this is the modulus of z2. So therefore we can write mod of z1 is equal to r1, and amp of z2 is equal to theta 1, same as mod of z2, this is r2, and amp z1 is equal to theta 2. Okay, so mod of z1 plus z2 is less than equal to mod of z1 plus mod of z2. Now in this point we are discuss about the root, cube root of unity. Look here, this is 1, this is cube root of unity, and that will be x is equal to, then cubing both sides, then you got x cube equal to 1, and factorize this x minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 1, and taking from this equation from Siddharth formula, minus 1 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. You all know the Siddharth formula, minus 1 plus minus root over minus 3 by 2. Now we have to show the two roots here. Let us assume omega and another be omega square, and let us assume omega be minus 1 plus root over minus 3 by 2. If we square this, then we got the other solution, minus 1 minus root over minus 3 by 2. Look here, squaring both sides. This is to minus 1 plus root over minus 3 whole square, and whole square of that is 4. This is 1 and this is minus 3, and 2ab 2 into root over minus 3. Okay, see here, minus 1 minus root minus 3 by 2. See the other solution. Okay, so in this equation for cube root of unity, we got a real solution is 1, and other be minus 1 plus root 3 by 2, and other be minus 1 minus root 3 by 2, and also if we simply symbolize by omega, and then other be omega square, and therefore the roots are, therefore the